You can do this.
Give me the keys!
We are outgunned. The only way to catch this crew is in the act. Keep going.
New York.
Turn up the issue, I'm dying to give you the problem you practically begging for.
It is the opinion of the department that if James Knight wasn't hunting bank robbers, he'd be robbing banks.
Knight might be rough around the edges, but he's a good cop.
This crew is tight. They move like a team. You got a theory?
All roads lead back to a businessman goes by winner.
I hope I'm not interrupting.
What can I do you for?
You know, a lot of ex-pros.
I like a couple of them for a message job. Know anything about that?
Not to the best of my recollection.
Think real hard.
FBI, CIA, ATF, all have open cases on Winner. And 2 city cops from LA walk in here and they think they're gonna handle this case?
That cop served in the Marines, seems to have some disciplinary hearing every year.
I was thinking, what if we try your way?
The Knight is the most dangerous piece on the board.
Hello?
It can strike when you least expect it.
Hop in.
Are you trying to be funny?
No.
I can take you out whenever I want, wherever I want.
How can you be at the wrong place at the right time, all the time?
Trick or treat, mother.